beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that help you look and feel your best. Today, we're checking out a little hero for your nails, the Nailene Ultra Quick Nail Glue. This is a fast-drying adhesive designed to bond both artificial and natural nails, promising durability and a hold that lasts up to 7 days. Let's see how it really performs. Right out of the box, the Nailene Ultra Quick Nail Glue comes in a compact 3-pack, each tube holding 3 grams or 0.10 ounces. Its main features include a precision tip applicator for controlled dispensing, a formula that sets in seconds, and versatility for both applying artificial nails and repairing natural ones. The brand emphasizes salon-quality results without the salon price, and the glue is designed to be a staple in any manicure kit or beauty bag. Testing this glue in real-life conditions was quite revealing. Applying it to artificial nails was straightforward. A thin layer spread over the nail, pressing and holding for about 5 seconds created an instant bond that felt surprisingly strong. For nail repairs, dropping a tiny amount over a break and holding it in place with tweezers also worked effectively. The glue sets quickly, which is a huge bonus if you're in a rush, and it didn't leave any messy residue on my skin. In terms of ease of use, this product hits the mark, especially for someone who likes to do at-home manicures without fuss. Now for the pros and cons. The precision tip makes application controlled and neat, and the fast-drying formula is genuinely convenient. The glue's hold is impressive. Nails stayed firmly in place for several days without lifting. On the downside, as with most strong adhesives, it can be a bit tricky to remove without soaking or careful filing, so you need to handle it with care. Also, the small tube size means you might go through it faster if you're doing frequent nail applications or repairs. In terms of value for money, Nailene delivers solid performance at an affordable price. Considering its quick-drying action, strong adhesion, and multi-purpose use for both nail application and repair, it's definitely a product that feels worth adding to your nail care arsenal. Compared to other nail glues on the market, it performs on par with salon-level products, but at a fraction of the cost, which makes it a practical choice for everyday use. The build quality is decent, the tubes are sturdy enough for travel, and the precision tip ensures minimal waste and mess. While there's no specific feedback from customer support in my experience, Nailene has a generally positive reputation for handling inquiries efficiently. If you're on a tighter budget, there are other nail glues available that perform similarly, but I found Nailene to strike a good balance between price, convenience, and reliability. It's a product that fits seamlessly into both casual and more polished nail routines. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Nailene Ultra Quick Nail Glue is a dependable, easy-to-use adhesive that delivers on its promise of durability and speed. It's perfect for anyone who wants quick, professional-looking results at home, whether applying artificial nails or repairing natural ones. If you've tried this glue, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.